Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating E68 error code on your Electrolux washer, don't worry, we're going to tackle this head on. This code typically signals a communication problem between the washer's control board and the motor, often caused by loose connections, power issues, or even a simple reset. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to get your washer spinning smoothly again. Let's dive in. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washer from the wall outlet before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical shocks. Got it? Great. Now, step 1. Perform a basic reset. Unplug the machine and wait for about 5 minutes. This can clear temporary glitches. Plug it back in, turn it on, and see if the E68 code disappears. If it does, you're good to go. Run a test cycle to confirm. If the code persists, move to step 2. Check for loose connections. Open the washer's panel carefully, refer to your user manual for access points, and inspect the wires connected to the control board and motor. Make sure everything is securely plugged in. Dust or debris might be the culprit, so give it a gentle clean with a soft brush or compressed air. Next, in step 3, examine the door lock mechanism. Sometimes, the E68 code relates to a faulty door switch. Ensure the door closes properly and isn't obstructed. If it feels sticky or doesn't latch, you might need to clean it or replace the switch. Parts are usually affordable and easy to find online. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be a deeper problem like a faulty control board. At this point, I recommend consulting a professional technician to avoid causing more damage. Remember, regular maintenance, like cleaning the filter and checking hoses, can prevent future errors. There you have it. Simple steps to fix that E68 code and get your Electrolux washer back in action. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.